I have for you today this easy mold test. It's a DIY test kit that you can use at home. All you need to do is you make the mold test and you send it for them for a free consultation, and it will give you the results within 48 hours, which is like amazing. Like, this is the kit. This is the agar jar, and what you do is you keep it closed, but then what you need to do is take the swab and do the swab. Let's do it. So now I have taken a swab from the air conditioning. I'm so nervous. Now I'm gonna like rub it here on both sides, you know, like this.
I'm gonna return now.
And then you close it. Make sure you close it very well, and then you store it in one of those bags. Make sure it's like locked properly, and then you put the label. Make sure it's airtight and store it away. I'm gonna like take a few swabs and come to you in 2 to 4 days with the final results. So here we are, a few days, 4 days after taking the samples. This is the bathtub sample. Look how disgusting. Oh my god, I can't believe like I have these kind of molds in my bathroom. The bedroom, which is like the open air test. Do you believe that? Look at this. Look at that. The heater, look at the heater mold results. So this actually gives you the results for real, and then in here you can look and see what kind of mold you have and how to deal with it. It's really it's very disgusting. I didn't know I would be facing such disgusting mold problem like this. I hope you like it, and I hope you find it as useful as I do. Thank you for watching. Cheers!